there's nothing quite like sailing into the Alaskan wilderness to remind us of God's creative power. It's a masterpiece of God's creation. Well, I want you and your family to be on board the MS Westerdam with us, July 2nd through 9th, 2011, when we set our course from Seattle up into the Alaskan coastline for the journey of your lifetime. We'll study God's Word together, we'll enjoy the delight of each other's company, and we'll hear fabulous music. And from the deck of one of the finest cruise ships in the world, you will see with your own eyes the splendor, the beauty of what is the last frontier. That's Alaska. We'll make some stops, for example, at Glacier Bay and Juneau, Sitka and Ketchikan, and the beautiful island of Victoria, British Columbia. So please join Cynthia and me for an experience you'll never forget. The Insight for Living Cruise to Alaska, July 2 through 9, 2011.